Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself for the Christmas Cookie Crumble, the battle of holiday flavor, the one for the recipe book, the final bout of gluten-free snacks. It all comes down to this: Peppermint Cookie versus Gingerbread Cookie. Who will be the holiday champ and who will get crushed? Stick around and find out. In the red corner, with white trunks from Christmas Treat Town, is Peppermint Mocha Crinkle Cookie. Let's start the holiday cookie crumble by soaking some flax seed in water. After about 10 minutes, we are going to add our favorite fat, tahini. Applesauce is added for a vegan egg, and just a smidge of peppermint oil will do. In goes Zolka sugar, a vegan-friendly sugar that is also low on the glycemic index, molasses, and instant espresso powder for some extra holiday energy. We use extra dark cocoa powder, but it isn't necessary unless you're also baking for Krampus or Creepmas. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add my own homemade gluten-free flour mixture. It's made with oat flour, rice flour, quinoa flour, and pea protein. In goes baking soda and salt. Mix well, then cover, rest, and chill. Ball into approximately 35 balls. This is where you can choose your own adventure. You can continue with coating in powdered sugar, then bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 21 minutes, rotating halfway through, or if you don't feel like baking, these make a great holiday frozen edible cookie dough. And in the green corner, with 10 trunks from the giant gingerbread house, is Gingerbread Cookie. This time we'll start with chia seeds and water, and same as before, let it hang out for a few minutes. This may be a little deja vu. In goes Zolka sugar and tahini, our favorite fat, molasses, but this time we will use pumpkin puree as the vegan egg, and the special holiday spices to warm your palate and pair perfectly with your morning coffee. Mix and add our homemade gluten-free flour, baking soda, salt. Give it a good old mix, cover, and chill. It's time to ball them up, freeze or flatten, and bake. Find what works best for you to flatten, but for my kitchen witch, it was a tamper for our espresso. Let your cookies bake until your desired crispiness, watching to ensure the edges aren't burning. If you want more of a ginger snap, lower the temp and bake a little longer. Now I want a good clean cookie fight. Peppermint, are you ready? Gingerbread, are you ready? Bake! Leave a comment on which one will win.